Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of animals with gender flexibility. Some creatures can change their gender to adapt to their environment. The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze us with its diversity and adaptations. Join me as we explore 10 animals that challenge our understanding of gender. In the vibrant coral reefs, the clownfish, made famous by its role in Finding Nemo, holds a fascinating secret. These fish live in a strict social hierarchy, with the largest and most dominant individual ruling the group. This ruler is always female. But here's the twist: all clownfish are born male. When the female leader dies, the largest male becomes female to take her place. Wrasses, another group of reef dwellers, exhibit a gender-bending strategy. These colorful fish live in social groups with a dominant male. The male, often larger and more brightly colored, guards his harem of females. If he perishes, the largest female steps up. She undergoes a dramatic transformation, changing sex to become the new male. Her colors intensify and she assumes leadership, ensuring the group's continuation. Lurking within the reef's crevices, the moray eel, with its serpentine body and sharp teeth, might seem an unlikely candidate for gender fluidity. Yet, these enigmatic creatures possess the ability to change sex, typically from female to male. The exact triggers for this transformation remain a mystery, but it's linked to reproductive success. In environments where males are scarce, a female moray eel can transform into a male to ensure species continuation. Chapter 4. Parrotfish, a colorful transition. The parrotfish, named for its beak-like teeth, scrapes algae from coral and changes gender. These fish start as females and grow larger. Some transform into males, sporting vibrant colors. Males defend territories and court females, playing a crucial role in reproduction. Chapter 5. Gobies, adapting to survive. Gobies, small fish found in various habitats, showcase nature's adaptability. They can change sex based on social structure and environmental conditions. If there's a shortage of males, a goby can switch genders. This flexibility maximizes reproductive success, ensuring species survival. Chapter 6. Frogs, responding to the environment. Moving from the water to the land, we encounter amphibians like frogs, some of which possess the remarkable ability to change sex. Unlike fish, where social cues often drive the transformation, certain frog species respond to environmental factors. Changes in temperature, population density, or even the presence of certain chemicals can trigger a sex change in these adaptable creatures. Snails, a love story. Snails, those slow-moving mollusks, often carry a secret within their shells. They are hermaphrodites. These fascinating creatures possess both male and female reproductive organs, eliminating the need to find a mate of the opposite sex. When two snails meet, they can exchange sperm, both fertilizing the other's eggs. This dual-gendered approach ensures reproductive success, even for creatures that lead solitary lives. Chapter 8. Slipper limpets, a stacked society. Slipper limpets, cone-shaped creatures clinging to rocks, have a unique approach to gender. They are protandrous hermaphrodites, starting life as males and transitioning to females as they grow. They live in stacks, with the largest female at the bottom and younger males above. This structure ensures the most reproductively successful individuals produce offspring. Chapter 9. Flatworms, masters of regeneration. Flatworms, simple yet remarkable creatures, take gender fluidity to a new level. These beings are hermaphrodites, possessing both male and female organs. They can exchange sperm with any flatworm they encounter. Combined with their regenerative powers, a single flatworm can father or mother countless offspring. Chapter 10. Sea hares, embracing both. Our final stop takes us back to the ocean, where we meet the sea hare, a shell-less mollusk with a unique approach to gender. These creatures are simultaneous hermaphrodites, possessing both male and female reproductive organs. This allows them to mate with any other sea hare, maximizing reproductive success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible animals, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The animal kingdom astounds us with its diversity. Life finds a way, even in unexpected forms. See you next time.